Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Safety Awareness Videos. So today topics Factory Act 1948 and sections. Every safety officer should know about the 1948 and sections 6, 11, 13, 17, 18, 19, 23, 28, 29, 35, 36, 36A, 38, 40A, 40B, 45 and triple N sections. We should know the basics. You know factory acts, then you can say argue, yeah, discussion, whatever with management as well as your co-engineers and all. So section C, registration of factory, it is mandatory. Section 11, cleanness. Section 13, ventilation and temperature, and section 17 for lighting in factories. Yeah, section 18 and 19, drinking water facility for worker and sanitary facility. Section 23, employment of young person on dangerous and mechanical. Section 18 for hoist and lifts. Section 19 for lifting machines and tackles. So these both are related to lifting and shifting. Section 35, protection of eyes means eye protection. 36, precaution against the dangerous fumes. 36A, use of portable electrical light. And section 38, protection in case of fire. Here they clearly mention section 40A, maintenance of building. Section 40B for safety officer duty. Section 45 for first aid boxes in work location. And section 111, obligation of workers. Yes, thank you very much watching for my video. If more updates, you can refer Factory Act 1948. Bullet points only I am taken, and I am reference 1948 Factory Act. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you are like, please subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you very much.